Ooh. Not me looking busted in HD. Oh. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, that's good because so am I. So today I will be doing a wig review from Luvme Hair. I got their Kinky straight in 18 inches, and just keep watching. So here I am showing you the wig. It does come in this very nice little bag or satchel, and yeah, they also include headbands in a various amount of patterns and colors and things like that. You'll also get this little, what do you call it, a scarf to tie down your edges if you want to do that. These come in handy actually. Also, you will have your wig cap. It's just a standard wig cap. It comes with 2 in a pack. And here you will have a little pouch that comes with all sorts of goodies. On the inside you will see that you'll have an elastic band. They usually come with those. You'll also have a hair clip. It's really pretty. It says "Love Me" on it and like little diamonds. You will also receive some bobby pins. These will come in handy. I know sometimes I use them for different kinds of wigs. And you will also get a edge control brush, like the little double-ended with the comb and the brush. And these come in handy as well. I don't really use them, but they're nice to have on hand. And you will also have a little information booklet, and you can use this to read through it and check how to take care of your wig. And here we have the wig. It does come with a little mesh hair bonnet. And then here is the wig. When you take it out of the hair bonnet, it is really soft. I didn't experience any tangles or shedding or anything. And usually you're supposed to wash these wigs right out of the box, but I didn't do that. I mean, I was too excited. So. And here I am showing you the construction of the cap. It is your standard wig cap. 1 comb on the back, 2 on the side, and 1 in the front. And of course the headband with the Velcro. It is a lot of space on the inside, as you can see, and yeah, the hair is really pretty and really soft. Again, it doesn't tangle, it hasn't shed, and most wigs like this usually come in the box with like some kind of smell. I didn't notice that with this one, which is really good and surprising. But yeah, just look how beautiful the hair is. It's so pretty. So what I'm going to do is flat iron this, and we'll see how it turns out and how it is flat ironed. Okay y'all, so I just want to show you what I am using while I'm flat ironing this hair. I sprayed it with a heat protectant. The heat protectant that I'm using is a Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector. I'm just using the last of it, but you can use any heat protectant that you want. And I also wanted to show you what flat iron I'm using, my Remington, and I just have it set on a level 20. It doesn't really need to be super high, but again, that's optional. It's up to you. And as you can see, the hair will flat iron pretty good. I mean, I'm not trying to get it pin straight, but I did get it to my liking, and you can do what you want if you do get this hair. I mean, it's up to you, but I enjoy flat ironing this hair because I mean it's almost like butter. I mean, it flat irons really well. So yeah, I'll just continue on with this and we'll see how it comes out straightened. Okay, y'all, so I am done with this hair, and as you can see, it flat ironed really pretty. I did not want to get it pin straight, so this is perfect for me. Again, this is the 18 inches, and it's just gorgeous. It's so soft. It did not tangle at all. So I'm very happy with it. So I'm just gonna pop this hair on, and we're gonna style it like that and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the hair on, and I like it. I like it straight. I do think I want to put some bobby pins in it, and it did come with bobby pins, so I think I'm gonna do that just in the back, because sometimes I don't know about y'all, but the straps are sometimes like the little velcro strap. I like mine kind of snug, and it overlaps the velcro, and I really want it to stick down, so I'm gonna just pin it down in the back where the velcro is. This hair is really pretty, but I think that, there we go. I think that I want to put some curls in it. But for now, this is really pretty. I mean, look how you can see the texture. So I do want to put some curls in it. But I think I'll leave it like this for now. But it's really pretty. And this is the 18-inch Kinky straight. And you can do a number of things with it, like if you see me looking down, I have a mirror right here. So, okay, hold on, let me get a scrunchie. Okay, got a scrunchie. I'm just gonna do or attempt to do a half up, half down. I'm not the best, but we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, I'm just attempting a half up, half down, just to see how that will look. And I am gonna, like, I like the band pulled back on my hairline, just to give it more of a natural feel. So I am gonna brush out a little bit of baby hairs. Okay, and I do like to use my Arcani Kohl Edge Control. You can find this on Facebook, and I can leave a link in the description if you guys want to check this out. So again, I'm looking down because I have a mirror right down here. I'm not gonna do too much, just a little bit. I don't really do a lot of baby hairs because, I mean, I'm not the best at doing it. just a little bit like that. And then you can add a headband. I think I'll come back and do a headband when I throw some curls in. Hold on, I kind of want to fix this. Let me fix this. Okay. So there is a quick half up, half down. I do like it like this. So, and you can wear it any kind of way, but I really think that curls would be really pretty. So yeah, I think I'm gonna throw some curls in here, so hold on. Okay, so I am done curling this hair. It curls really good. I'm trying to show you all. It curls really good. All I did was just put some wand curls in it, and that seemed to have worked. So I like it better like this, curled. I mean, it just elevates the style, you know? So let me show you how it looks in the back. I don't know how good I did with curling, but I tried my best. So. Okay, and yeah, this hair curls really good. I'm gonna try a couple of headbands with the curls. I'll try this camel one. I like these kind of headbands that's already like, I guess, like connected. But honestly, you can wear any kind of headband with these wigs because, I mean, it's really doable. It's easy to manage. So here's that one. I just kind of popped it on real fast. Yeah. I like this one. Your black headband here is still gonna like show a little bit. So if you wanted to tuck it, you can tuck it in and this would look a lot better. Okay, and I have this one that I got on my own. It's just a standard headband. I like wearing these. I buy a lot of these in a lot of different colors. I just picked them up at like the dollar store or Walmart. Doesn't really matter. You can easily find these. I kind of like these better because you can pretty much hide the whole band if you wanted to, you know? And it's especially good if you're gonna pull your hair back some.
like how I did. Yeah, doesn't match my top or anything, but I'm just showing you different headbands can work with this wig. But yeah, I think the curls look really, really good. You can wear it straight, you can wear it up as you've seen. You can wear it up with curls and everything. You can do whatever you want. So I hope that you guys like what I did. I mean, it's not much, but I just wanted to show you how simple it is to just throw some curls and some hair, and you can make a look. So that is all for this video. If you want me to try other wigs, leave a comment down below. And yeah, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.